Getting the WebView2 Loader DLL error after a software update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. This DLL file is the loader library for the Microsoft Edge WebView2 control. It allows developers to embed web content in native applications using the Microsoft Edge Chromium engine for high-performance rendering. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This issue indicates a problem within the Microsoft Edge WebView2 installation. Reinstall the latest version of Microsoft Edge WebView2 from the official site to restore the Webview2 Loader DLL safely. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered the Webview2 Loader component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of the Webview2 Loader DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing the Webview2 Loader library references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Microsoft Edge WebView2. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.